judges, our educators, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Selviani Putri Mebi Okta. My study is SMA Negeri Jatirogo. Here, I will tell a folklore in Tuban entitled The Legend of the Princess Ngelirip. Have you ever go to Tuban? Do you know that the Tuban has a wonderful and exciting waterfall?
Really?
Let me tell you about it. Hope you can enjoy this story. Once upon a time, before the Majapahit Kingdom, in the Tuban area, which was once led by a duke, somewhere from the area he leads, which is now called Ngelirip Waterfall, there is a beautiful princess, the child of a community figure who is considered powerful from that place. For his beauty, the duke was fascinated by this beautiful princess. Even though the duke already had a wife, he still proposed to her and made her to umpteen intrigue. The princess also fell in love with the duke, and they had a serious relationship that ended in marriage. Even though she had become the wife joined the duke, she did not want to be taken to the Turkey and live there. From their relationship, they were blessed with a beautiful daughter who was given the name Princess Ngelirip. After a few years, the child from the relationship between a duke and a daughter has grown up. His mother said, "Oh, my daughter, you're so beautiful. I love you so much." The child's maturity is able to fall in love with an ordinary child named Joko Lelono. And their relationship lasted long enough until his parents found out about their daughter's relationship with Joko Lelono. Because Joko Lelono came from ordinary people, the relationship was not approved by the duke and his mother. Until finally, the duke ordered his soldier to kill Joko Lelono. Princess Ngelirip sighed. "Oh, good. Please him for me to be my husband. Honey, Joko Lelono, I love you. I miss you, Joko Lelono. I miss you, my honey." One morning, Joko Lelono visited the house of Princess Ngelirip, whom he loved so much. Princess Ngelirip, who is alone, admits that she is bored at home every day. Without saying much, Joko Lelono took his hand and walked toward the valley where the waterfall was located. In the valley, the two of them sat and looked at the waterfall. When listening to the chanting of the song from Jokolono is mouth. Jokolono sighed. Oh, my sweetheart, you look so sad. Let me make you happy. Join me to go to see waterfall. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling, Princess Ngelirip. Oh my darling, Princess Ngelirip. Oh my darling, I love you. That morning, Jokolono intended to confide his heart to invite the princess he loved to marry. But in the middle of their conversation, a group of burly men appeared wearing armor, and their hands were signs, sword, and one of them broke a cross belonging to Princess Ngelirip. Chris was a gift from Jokolono, who previously belonged to his mother. Jokolono tried to fight him, but he was killed by the soldiers. I'm sorry, Princess Ngelirip. I'm sorry. The Hittite Jokolono to a large rock and threw him into the kedung. Do you know what happened after that? Putri Negeri, who saw Jokolono killed and covered in blood, fled from the house to the middle of the forest and decided to meditate in a cave that was behind a waterfall in the middle of the forest. This heartbroken princess shut herself down and refused to be seen by anyone. Princess Ngelirip sighed. I will there. I live here until the end of my time. Just why my sweetheart come back. I really love you, Jokolono. Until now, occasionally the princess appears taking water at the bottom of the Ngelirip waterfall. Therefore, the place is called Ngelirip waterfall. We can call it the symbol of true love. True love, true love, it must be true love. True love, it must be true love. I love you forever, Jokolono. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if there are so many mistakes. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. And just visit Ngelirip Waterfall only in Tuban. And see you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.